Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide FaceTime on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Next, you want to go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. In here, tap on Allow Apps. Then in here we go down and tap on FaceTime. So tap on the FaceTime toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. You can see now if I turn off FaceTime and if I go to my app library, I will not be able to find FaceTime. Okay, so now if I go back into settings and turn it back on, then in my app library, I can now locate FaceTime. And that's it. So that's how you can show or hide FaceTime on the iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.